We'll guide you through how to find paint.net alternatives. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and open up a search engine like Google. Type in paint.net alternatives 2025 and hit enter. You should see a list of articles and reviews. Look for trusted sources like TechRadar or PC Mag for in-depth comparisons. One popular alternative is GIMP, a free and open-source photo editor with features similar to paint.net but more advanced. To check it out, go to the official GIMP website by typing GIMP in your search bar and clicking on the link that usually ends with .org. Download and install the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Another great option is Krita, which is especially good for digital painting and illustrations. You can find Krita by searching for Krita Download and visiting the official page, which typically has .org in the URL. Download it and follow the installation instructions. If you're looking for something more user-friendly, try Pinta, which is a simpler alternative with a layout similar to paint.net. Search for Pinta Image Editor Download and head over to their official site to get started. For those who prefer web-based solutions, Photopea is an excellent choice. It's a browser-based editor that mimics Photoshop's layout and supports various file formats. Simply search for Photopea and click on the first link to start editing right in your browser, without the need to download anything. Exploring these options will help you find the best tool for your needs, whether you're doing simple edits or more complex projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.